Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, is a valuable metric for measuring the performance of production operations. It takes into account three factors: availability, performance, and quality, and provides a percentage value that represents how effectively the equipment is being used. To measure and improve the OEE of production operations, businesses can follow these steps. Collect data. Start by gathering data on availability, performance, and quality metrics. This can be done through manual tracking or using automated systems. Analyze data. Use the data collected to identify areas of low OEE and determine the root causes of the issues. Implement improvements. Once the root causes have been identified, take steps to address them. This could involve equipment maintenance, process improvements, or employee training. Monitor progress. Regularly track OEE metrics to ensure that improvements are being made and that performance is being maintained. By measuring and improving the OEE of production operations, businesses can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and ultimately improve their bottom line. Some additional tips for improving OEE include: focus on preventative maintenance to reduce downtime and improve availability. Streamline processes to reduce cycle times and improve performance. Implement quality control measures to reduce defects and improve quality. Provide ongoing training and development for employees to ensure they have the skills and knowledge necessary to operate equipment and processes effectively. Overall, continuous improvement is key to maximizing OEE and ensuring the success of production operations.